Hello class, how are you? I hope you all are good. Today we'll start with a new chapter, digital learning platforms. So, the current generation is fortunate enough to witness the most amazing technological developments ever in the history. Through social media, we can exchange ideas, information to the number of people around us. In fact, in WhatsApp, you must have seen WhatsApp community. So, this is also a type of virtual community. So, for all these virtual communities, we need to either download the app from Google Play Store or from Apple App Store. In the past, in pandemic time, you must have taken classes on digital classrooms on different types of apps like Byju's, Google Meet. So, even the today's lecture you are watching that is on YouTube. So, all these are digital learning platforms. So, let's learn more about this. So, for that, plug in the chapter. Virtual communities, Google Play Store, Apple App Store, digital classrooms. Let's just start the chapter.
Virtual communities. Virtual communities are a big part of informatics in today's society. A virtual community is an online space that is a social unit that involves members who can relate to one another as a group. It is a place where people can communicate to each other that bridges geographical distance. There are various online communities and social networking sites that can help people to exchange information. Social media is the social interaction among people in which they create, share or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities. The current generation is fortunate enough to witness some of the most amazing technological developments ever in history. It has become the rage of this age. People nowadays have minimized their social life because of hectic life and increase in geographical distance and economic concerns. With the arrival of technology, social networking websites and applications have heralded a revolution in the world. It has indeed brought people from all over the globe closer by creating, sharing or exchanging information. These social networking sites are based on web-based technologies and create highly interactive platforms. It has gained momentum globally because of its features, access, frequency and usability. The platform is undoubtedly easily obtainable and accessible. Google Play Store. Google Play, also branded as the Google Play Store and formerly Android Market, is a digital distribution service operated and developed by Google. It serves as the official app store for certified devices running on the Android operating system. Google Play is an online store where we find and enjoy our favorite apps, games, movies, TV shows, books and more on our Android devices. Applications are available through Google Play either free of charge or at a cost. They can be downloaded directly on an Android device. To be successful, Google Play must work to meet the needs of both users and developers. To help users find high quality as well as engaging apps, Google works hard to ensure the Play Store is safe, secure and convenient. Google Play is also a safe way to pay for those apps which are not free and for in-app purchases. Customer service is offered if we have complaints about an app or need a refund. Let's have a look on the Google Play family icons. Google Play, Play Store, Play Movies and TV, Play Music, Play games. Play books. Play newsstand. Apple App Store. Steve Jobs was an American innovator and entrepreneur who co-founded Apple Inc., which revolutionized technology through the Mac, MacBook, iPod, iPhone and iPad. The iPhone is a line of smartphones designed and marketed by Apple Inc. that use Apple's iOS mobile operating system. The first generation iPhone was announced by Steve Jobs on 9 January 2007. Since then, Apple has annually released new iPhone models and iOS updates. We can buy and download digital software and applications from Apple App Store. It is developed and maintained by Apple Inc. for iOS and iPadOS. The store allows users to browse and download approved apps developed by Apple Inc. Apps can be downloaded on the iPhone, iPod Touch or iPad, and some can be transferred to the Apple smartwatch or newer Apple TVs. Digital classrooms. Education is constantly changing and evolving. One of the biggest driving factors affecting the changes in education today is technology. This new generation is constantly connected and surrounded with technology. Schools during pandemic created a learning environment by implementing such classrooms. A digital classroom is a classroom that is fully immersed in technology. Each student has access to an internet-connected device, whether it be a laptop, tablet, smartphone, or other device. The majority of the curriculum is delivered via an online, engaging, interactive platform. Digital classrooms evolve and adapt teaching practices in order to accommodate, foster and expand students' use of technology. In a digital classroom, the tone is set by technology. Because technology facilitates easy access to learning resources and networks. It is easier for students to track their progress and for teachers to highlight students' work in a digital classroom. The digital, interactive lessons and teaching materials are designed specifically for such classrooms. These lessons offer students with rich, high-quality, interactive lessons that can be delivered through various digital classrooms given below. Google Classroom, Google Meet, Google Drive, OneDrive, WebEx Meet, Zoom, Microsoft Teams. Ground rules during online classes. Mute yourself. Raise your hand to talk. Be on time. Adult needs to be present. No chat while class. Be respectful. Turn on video. Be prepared. Zoom classrooms. Zoom classrooms are online learning environments that allow instructors to live stream class sessions or pre-record them and share them with students at a later date. Due to the lockdown implemented all over the world after the spread of COVID-19 pandemic, all schools and colleges were closed for safety purpose. Let us learn to launch a Zoom class. Schedule a class in the Zoom application for the desired date time and copy the invitation details to send to the participants. Join the class a couple minutes early to ensure a proper connection that follow the quality online learning experience. presets the meeting to mute participants' microphones upon entry. This helps to avoid background noise and allows to focus on the lesson. When everyone logs in for the first time, spend some time making sure everyone's audio and video are working. It's also a good idea to go over ground rules and expectations. Hit the record button so participants can access the session later. The application has the ability to turn the chat feature off if we would like the undivided attention while talking to participants. If one really wants to get fancy, she can try out the virtual backgrounds or beauty filters too. Throwback. Social media is the social interaction among people in which they create, share or exchange information and ideas in virtual communities. Google Play is a digital distribution service operated and developed by Google. The App Store platform is developed and maintained by Apple Inc. for iOS and iPadOS. In a digital classroom, the tone is set by technology. It is easier for students to track their progress and for teachers to highlight students' work in a digital classroom. We should follow certain ground rules during online classes.